going to show you how to do the text behind a person effect in CapCut PC today. So when she's walking down the beach, we're going to see text behind her. So to do that, obviously take your main clip and drag it onto the timeline. Once you've done that, click on text and then click on default text and drag it on top of your main clip. And then I'm going to expand it the full width of the clip. And so then if we were to play this, you'll see right now the text is not behind her, but we're going to change that. So to do that, make sure that the text clip, the top clip, is selected, and then I'm just going to change this to say beach walk for this example, but you want to make sure you have the font pretty large, almost the full width of the video. And then I'm going to change the preset style. We'll just go with yellow. You can use whatever you like. We'll go with that one so it stands out a little bit more in this example. Then the next thing I'm going to do, again with the top clip still selected, I'm going to go over to animation, and I'm just going to pick the first one. You can use any animation you want for the in. So animation in, I'm going to go with that one. Then for out, I'll just go with this one, laser cut. So now we have this clip, we have our text on here, we've animated the text, and I'm going to go ahead and simply export this. So on top right of the screen, I'm going to click on export. In this example, it's going to be 1080p, and I'm going to export. Once that's exported, I'm going to open the folder. Okay, so now that we have that video exported, I'm just going to hit cancel, and then I'm going to go up to menu, file, new project, quit that one. Now that we have a new project, I'm going to click on import. We're going to go ahead and find that clip that we just made with the text. There it is. Open that. Okay, we're going to drag that onto the main timeline. As you'll see there, the text is still not behind her as she's walking down the beach. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on import again. We're going to go find the original clip before we put the text on it. So we're going to find the stock clip that we used. We're going to take that and drag it on top of the main clip that has the text. What we need to do now to make the text behind her is we need to click on that top clip. Go ahead and click on it, and then go over to remove BG and click on auto removal. That's going to go ahead and process. It usually takes about a minute or two depending on the device you're using. Once that's done, we should have the text behind her. Alright, looks like that's completed. Let's go over here and test it out. Let's click on play. You can see our animation in, and as she's walking, you can see the text is now behind her. If we go to the end and play it, we'll see the animation out. And so that's how to use the text behind a person feature in CapCut. You could also put stickers behind people or objects. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.